Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to go ahead and give it a try with the other app to do a speed run. This will probably be my last speed. I just don't like speed runs. But anyways, I'm going to go with a battery that I've had and I've not been able to use on anything. It's a 2S, but it's a 120C, which is pretty nice. Something else on this battery, they give you the milliamp hours and they also give you the watt hour. So it's 36.26 watt hour. CNHL battery. So yeah, hopefully it'll cook this along pretty good. The ESC on this is only rated for a 2S, so that's all I can do. And my little GPS, it can drop right in there maybe. Will it? Will it go? Almost. But I'll find a place for it somewhere. Anyways, let's get it out and run it and let's see what it'll do. I promise not to bore you. I'll probably take about a 3-minute video and that'll be it. Alright, I'm not sure how well you guys can see this, but I'm going to use the RC Gears app instead of the GNSS. And I'm going to take the suggestion that a good person told me. They said just to get everything set up and just kind of take your time and let all the satellites come in. Man, they instantly came in. Well, no, they didn't. They're coming in now. Okay, so I'm going to pause this and then I'll get the speed run. Okay, we're ready to go. I'm going to go track, start, see if we got some motion. Yeah, we got it. Okay, we'll read it when it comes back. Here we go. I don't know if you guys will be able to see the run, but we'll do it. Flip it, man. My eyesight is getting so bad. I can't see anything. Here we come. I'm just going to do one run with it. I'm full throttle now, buddy. Oops. All right, let's see what I got. All right, let's go. Stop and then read. Stop. Read. 33 kilometers. I'd like to know what that is in miles. I'll have to set that up for miles, but 33 kilometers an hour. Let's do one more run and see what it does. All right, here we go. Doesn't really seem to be booking along that fast, but anything's better than 12 miles an hour, right? And for this thing, you don't really need to go that fast. It's more of a little stunt truck. We'll get a second pass here and see what happens. Here it comes. I would have thought that battery would have done a little better, but I don't know. All right, let's look at it. Let's get the car up close to the GPS so we can actually get a read. Because if you leave the car too far away, you're not going to be able to get a read. Okay, so let's stop. And get that red mark. Read 33 kilometers an hour. Same. Yeah, well, that's how you do it anyways. And it doesn't seem to be that difficult with the new app, the newer app. The old app didn't work that well. I must say, this part of the RC Gears app is pretty nice. You can name your stuff. You can put notes in there and everything. It gives you the date. Now, the best run I ever got was with my DR10, and that's the date it happened on. That's how I could name it. You know, I knew that was that run. I don't know what these other runs are, but I do know my Sunfire, I ran it back then, and then I have some other unidentified runs. But yeah, it lets you keep track of stuff so you can you know, just kind of keep records if someone asks. Oh, let me just show you what happens. Okay, so if you go into it, you just type in whatever you want here. You can put notes in here, and there's no save button or nothing. It just automatically saves it for you. Pretty nice. All right, take care, you guys.